We're gonna do tip steaks out of this sirloin tip. So this knuckle piece that came off, this is a bell knuckle, which means it still has the ball tip on the front. And so it's like a full tip. So I'm gonna trim this down a little bit. So there's another seam right here that I'm gonna be cutting on to get to this under layer. I can see like this silver skin I'm kind of using as a guide. And I'll take off this whole piece of trim. Right on here. So that's just all trim. Okay, and then, so we've got the silver side that sits right here. We can kind of see as it comes up and around, and then the eye of the knuckle. So in this gap, now that we've trimmed that open, we'll be able to see where this seam is. So cut that seam down. So that separates the eye piece from the silver side. This is the silver side. The grain runs this way. So we're going to be cutting it into steaks across the grain. See those steaks turn out pretty good. And then this piece, I'm going to trim down. And then we're just going to cross cut these ones. So, and then that leaves those as steaks just like that. Makes pretty nice steaks there. So there are the sirloin tip steaks.